Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a walkthrough video on our brand new 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser. I wanted to show you guys the configuration, do a walkthrough on this boat, and point out some of the great features. This is the really popular fish and cruise design, perfect for family and fishing. It's got plenty of lounging, but also the fishability that you'd expect out of a fishing pontoon. At the back, you'll see we've got a ski tow arch, so you can do water sports here. You've got a 150 horsepower Mercury motor that pushes this boat close to 40 miles an hour. You can pull a tube, ski, wakeboard, etc. A nice oversized 4-step reboarding ladder with the extended platform back here, so you can be back here casting. You see you've got your tackle station here with some rod holders. There's a bait well built in here with your measuring. There's also a raw water washdown that comes out from the side here. Some bait storage, things like that, knives, scissors, tackle prep area, stuff like that. Your batteries are housed underneath there. 2 swivel fishing chairs here that can face backwards when you're fishing or watching your lines. As we make our way towards the front of the boat, the more cruising aspect of it, you've got a lounging couch over here with a movable cup holder that can go anywhere in the boat. This seat comes up here. There's additional storage. You'll see we've got some life jackets in there. There is a battery tray. The boat's pre-wired for a trolling motor, so if you wanted to add one, you could. The tray is there, the wiring's there. We could help you do that here. We offer all those installs here at our store. At the helm, you've got a reclining seat that also swivels and moves forward and backwards. You've got your throttle controls. You've got your interior lighting controls, things like that. Navigation, tilt steering. You'll see your Simrad touchscreen display there. You've got a Fusion stereo that has Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB capabilities, all the above. More storage underneath the helm here. It's a completely fiberglass helm. There's also a ski locker here that's large enough that could hold, you've got additional rod holders in there, safety bag, large enough that it can actually you could put rods in there as well. It goes pretty far back. You've got an oversized boarding door on this side of the boat. Great for access on and off the dock, easy to get on and off. There's a storage compartment here that also has a changing room. It flips up. It's got a full curtain that could cover that. You could potentially put a little porta potty on the boat and still have privacy. And then at the front, you have your oversized loungers. This is where you're going to be lounging, hanging out. You've got storage under all these seat bases. You've got more life jackets here, life jacket storage, rod storage. You know, there's storage for everything you could ever need when you're out on the lake. Recessed cup holders. This boat does have the lighting package too, so you've got RGB LEDs and full sun coverage with the double bimini as well. This has been a quick walkthrough on a 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser in the popular fish and cruise configuration. Come see it at MarineMax Houston today. My name's Steven Smith.